Hello, my name is Yelizaveta Nechtailo, and today I will be talking about two websites that I use on my daily basis, and I will compare them according to the build width and the writing on the website. So the first website that I will be talking about is Vogue.com. I decided to choose this website because I'm extremely interested in fashion, and it gives me an opportunity to look for the new fashion trends, news in the fashion industry, to look for celebrity lifestyles, beauty, culture, runways, videos, and so on. What I mostly like about this website is that it is extremely easy to use for me. You can get to any page with only 1 or 2 clicks, and everything is situated on the home page, so you can find anything you want. Besides, the website uses white colors, which I find extremely pleasing for the eye, compared to black websites, for example, where you don't see anything what is happening. I like the font, I like the bright colors that it uses. Besides, one unique thing that I see is that it is looks simple, but at the same time it includes so much material at one page. Pictures, advertisements, videos, animated pictures, and so on. With the build width, I had an opportunity to look at how the website is built, and first of all, what I would like to mention is that the website uses numerous applications for analytics and tracking. It uses LiveRamp, Adobe Marketing Cloud, Facebook Domain Insights, Google Analytics, Fastly, Twitter Analytics, LinkedIn Insights, and many more. Besides, the website uses jQuery, which provides a computing platform for content delivery, and Amazon CloudFront, which gives developers and businesses an easy way to distribute content. Vogue.com uses pound sterling for payments, and on the website there is a special symbol meaning that it accepts British currency. For audio and video media, Vogue.com uses Freewheel, VideoJS, GW Player. The content management systems that are used on the website are Atlassian Cloud and WordPress. Besides this, the website includes a bunch of advertisements. It uses different applications for it. For instance, Bounce, GX, Bezo, DoubleClickNet, Facebook Custom Audiences, Twitter Ads, AppNexus, The Trade Desk, and many more. You can see I am showing it now. Talking about the writing on the website, what I would like to mention is that there are numerous calls to action on every page of the website, and it generally asks us to read more here or view the slideshow. So the main thing that the website is asking us to do is to look for more information concerning this or that topic. Also, one main call to action that is situated on every single page of the website is subscribe, which appears on the header, which is consistent, and if you push this button, it leads you to a new page which asks to fill in the online form and be subscribed for the website. Vogue website is a flat hierarchy, since every page of the website is available only through 1 or 2 clicks. For example, if we want to go to a beauty page from the home page, if we want to go to a beauty page and look for makeups, here it is. You needed only 2 clicks to go to a specific page. As I have already mentioned, the website is trying visitors to do is subscribe for the online version of it. Since this button appears on every single page, as you have already noticed, and even when you just enter the website, it appears above the home page asking you to write your email address and visit for the website consequently. The similar website to Vogue.com that I decided to use is Harper's Bazaar, which is also an online version of one of the most famous fashion magazines in this world. The same as Vogue's website, Harper's Bazaar uses Google Analytics for analyzing and tracking, compared to Vogue, which uses multiple applications for video and audio. Harper's Bazaar uses only Video.js, while Vogue uses 2 more applications for it. Compared to Vogue, it also, the same as Vogue, it also uses jQuery and a number of advertising techniques such as the Trade Desk, MediaNet, Yadbot, Index Exchange, and many more. Comparing the writing on the website, it should be said that Harper's Bazaar also uses white colors, which I have already mentioned is extremely pleasing for the eye, in my opinion. And when it comes to design, there is some not much difference between these 2 websites. They are also using white and black colors, practically similar fonts, and for the font they are also using black color. What is different is that the home page is the home page of the website, because the home page of the website is different because the header is situated at the bottom, while on the Vogue's website it is situated at the top, and at the animated and Harper's Bazaar also uses animated full screen picture at the top of the header. It is also a flat hierarchy, because you can get to any page of the website with only 1 or 2 clicks, and also includes a lot of information on every single page, but at the same time the website is extremely easy to use and there is no confusion on how to use it. The main call to action is also to subscribe for the online version. This button appears on every single page, so the main thing that they are asking us to do is to subscribe for the online version. Yeah, so today I compared 2 websites, Vogue and Harper's Bazaar. I found some differences, I found some similarities, but both of them are extremely interesting for me and I check both of them on my daily basis.